Want to use a keyboard or a mouse with your Hisense Android Smart TV? Then here's how you connect a keyboard or mouse to your Hisense Android TV via wired or USB and Bluetooth or wired connection. First, let's start with wired keyboard or mouse, or the ones with USB dongle. Connecting them to your Hisense Android TV is very simple. You just plug in the USB cable or the USB dongle into one of the USB ports of your Hisense TV, and they will fire right up. And in case you have a wireless or Bluetooth keyboard or mouse, such as the Apple's Magic Mouse or Magic Keyboard, then what you need to do is open Settings on your Hisense TV by going to the Settings cogwheel. Then select Remotes and Accessories, Add Accessory. Now you'll just need to activate pairing mode on your peripherals. Then they will pop up on the list and you need to press OK using your Hisense Android TV remote. Confirm it by tapping on pair and voila. And now you can see if I move the mouse, there a cursor appears and you can click on open stuff with it and also use the scroll wheel. And for the keyboard, you can use the directional buttons to navigate your TV and do all the basic stuff. But note that there are some limitations, as your Android TV may not be fully compatible with any sort of keyboard or mouse. So in case you can't get a function to work, then you'll have to resort to a remote. And that's all about it.